Introducing the 2021 Hyundai Sonata. This vehicle still has fewer than 20,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Whether you're commuting or cruising country roads, this smooth and spacious Sonata makes travel a treat. Its comfortable cabin with standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance, along with stylish good looks, make this midsize four-door your go-to family sedan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, fog lamps, Bluetooth connection, stability control, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, power windows, power door locks. Give your family the comfort they deserve when you travel in this refined, well-equipped Sonata. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.